Hello, my name is Muhammad Ali, and I am a Turk living in Turkey. I have just started this YouTube channel, and today I'm beginning with a big goal. I'm launching an Etsy store from scratch and aiming to make a total of $1,000. But how? In this series, I'll be sharing every step of the journey. If you want to make money on Etsy, don't forget to follow me. Let's get started. Etsy is a marketplace where millions of buyers worldwide purchase handmade, vintage, and custom-designed products. To succeed here, we need three key things: the right product selection, effective listing, and SEO, customer-focused sales strategies. Now let's get started step by step. First, we open a store on Etsy. To do this, we go to Etsy, click the Sell on Etsy button, and complete a few simple steps. In the next episode, I'll explain the Etsy store setup in detail. Choosing a store name, tips, keep it short, memorable, and relevant to your niche. Designing a logo and banner, use Canva or free design tools. Setting up store policies and descriptions, essential for building trust. I thought I should first create my store name and design a logo, so I use Canva for this. Canva is a user-friendly online design tool that allows you to create professional graphics, logos, banners, social media posts, and more. It offers thousands of templates, fonts, and design elements, making it perfect for beginners and professionals alike. With its drag-and-drop interface, you can easily design stunning visuals without needing advanced design skills. My $1 million journey on Etsy has begun. If you want to open an Etsy store from scratch, don't forget to follow this series. Write, "I'm starting" in the comments. Let's grow together. Please don't forget to join me on this journey. I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. See you in the next episode. Take care.